So this is our Miele dishwasher. It's probably about 5 years old, and we've got the soap dispenser won't stay shut. So what we can do is find out if the catch is broken, or if the spring, well, the spring's not broken because it's opening, but we can find out if the catch is broken, and I'll show you how to do that. So to get this top cover off, push in on the side here. You're going to push in fairly hard. And it'll come off. The springs come out. Now we can see what the problem is. If I zoom in on it, you can see here what the problem is. This little end here, where the catch is, it's broken off. And so the tab, which is there, can't latch onto the tab that was there. It's disappeared completely. If you do that and you find out that it's not broken, you can reassemble it. It's not that hard. So to reassemble it, I've got to get that into there, and this little piece here into that little hole. So it is a little bit tricky. I prefer to do it in there first, then get that into the hole there, push it back down, get it in to line it up, push that back in again on this side, on the left side, and there we go, it's back in. So anyway, we know that's broken, have to replace this part. So I ordered this from Miele Direct, 10505-507. It's actually been superseded by 105-05-508. It's the same part, but maybe they've fixed something up. When I rang them, they had none of those available till the 2nd of April. It's now the 12th of March. I said, that's fine, I'll wait till then. They said, oh, we've got 12 of the old ones. I said, no, I'd rather get the new one. 2 days later, 3 days later, the old model number turned up. Anyway, it's the same as what was in here. So this is what we're going to use to put back in. And there it is, the new one. That's all working properly. Okay, so what do we do from here? The very first thing we have to do is find out where it's plugged in, turn it off, and disconnect it from the wall. We don't want to get electrocuted doing this, doing the electric boogie. Now to get this front panel off, I've got 1, 2, 3, don't have to do that one, 4, 5, 6 screws to take off, and they're using a Tor T20. So I've got my little Tor set. I need a T20. And then we simply undo these. Put them in a safe space in order so they don't get mixed up, just in case they're different. I'll do the same on the other side. You just got to get your fingers in underneath here and get this bottom panel off. Slide it down. There it is. Here's the unit we've got to remove. So it's plug and play. We just have to pull those out, lift this up. Gonna be a little trick to this, isn't there? That one's got a little catch I can see here. Pull the little catch back and that slides off. This should have something similar. Looks like it's there at the top. So you want to pull that little blue catch back that's just in here. There's a little tab. Pull the tab back and that unit should hopefully lift off. There we go. Again, we use our tour driver to remove these screws. It's a T20 as well. A couple of tabs again. 1, 2. And the issue, there's another third little tab at the bottom there. So now that should be right to come out. So there's 3 tabs you got to press. There's one at the bottom here and 2 at the top. One there and one over there to get it out. Putting the new one in should be quite just a simple bit of work. Just need to push it back through. Give it a little clean around the surface here. Get the new unit and just push it back in like that. So now we have to put the wires back in. The one with 2 wires, it goes in over here, slots in like that, under there. This one goes in down here. Pull the little tab back, it goes in. Might have to look back at where that was hooked up to on my video. So we just put them underneath the 2 plastic tabs there. I'm going to give this a little bit of clean out while I've got the front off. Some crud's got down there. I've got crud cutter to use. Give that a clean. We'll put the cover back on. Now it's just a case of getting this unit back on, or the cover back on. Start down low, get it up, lift it up high, open the door. Whoops, catching on the bottom here. It's a tight old fit. Okay. Holding it up and getting the screws back in. test it out. I'm going to use Finish Ultimate Plus. And see how well it cleans this mess out. I'll give it a proper go. Power on. Miele's got a power saving function. You've got to press it on for about 5 seconds and then press it on again. It comes on, and we'll change the setting to, of course, refill rinse aid, because there won't be any in there, will there? So we'll do that. I'm kind of happy that it asked to refill the rinse aid, because it meant it was detecting there was none in there from the unit that I replaced. Let's change it to intensive 75 because I've got a big mess there. Press start. We'll come back and see if this has all worked. I'm hoping it will. No reason it shouldn't. So here is the first moment of truth. Has the little door for the detergent opened? Yes, it has. So it's all successfully installed. All working well. So I've just saved myself probably about $175 call out fee. So it's opened up all right. How did the finish work on this? Well, here's the result. We'll see it together. Looks pretty good, to be quite fair. Now, I've had no training in this. I'm just a retired guy. But if I can do it, so can you. And you can save hundreds. Follow me for more.